Hello guys, this is my first video on my YouTube channel and I hope you will like this video. So this vlog is about a trip to Vrindavan with my friends. Yes, we started our journey early in the morning by picking up all my friends at their location. Yeah, we started at sharp 4:10 a.m. in the morning when everybody was sleeping, and we were on a car drive with our best friends and besties of our school. Yeah, it was a holiday. So, and I guess holiday was of Muharram. So we planned a short trip to Vrindavan. We have visited Vrindavan many times, but Vrindavan is a place that we want to visit every time. So let's start our journey. Jai Shri Ganesh. Yes, we are going to do a lot of masti. Yes, I have not added most of the clips that we did in our journey. We have eaten, we have enjoyed. Yeah. See, we have reached Mero Vrindavan. They are welcoming us. We have enjoyed the beautiful views of Krishna, their stories, and everything. We all are eager to visit. Now we are heading towards Bake Bihari Ji temple. See the views, they are so mesmerizing. Har Har Mahadev. The beautiful scriptures, handmade drawings on the walls that enlightens our soul. Yeah. Finally, we have reached Vrindavan, and see, my mood is very upset because I wanted a very beautiful tilak on my head, but I think this is not too good. Okay, it's all right. Now, see what's. I have taken my Laddu Gopal. Also, we have visited the Baki Bihari temple. Then we went to Prem Mandir. You know what? The Prem Mandir is a very beautiful building made with white marbles and stones. Here are my besties, my school friends who accompanied with us in our journey. We are making reels, videos that you will see on my Instagram channel, and see I'm dancing like a Radha, but not. I'm looking very joking Radha. Yeah, this is the view from the Vrindavan, and my reel was made by with whom? Guess. So some videos I have shooted for my Instagram channel. You may subscribe my Instagram channel also, guys. So this is the inside views of Prem Mandir. Photos were not allowed, but I managed somehow to take the pics. Yeah, there were beautiful paintings engraved on the walls of Prem Mandir, and some sloks were also written. This is the outside view of the Prem Mandir. Very beautiful statues were made. There were jhulas, Radha Krishnan, their incarnation, their Lord Krishna's birth till the and all the images and beautifully drawn they have shown as depicted the whole story of Krishna in this Prem Mandir. You can also watch the view. I know many of us have gone to the Prem Mandir, but this is a view from my eye. If you like the videos, just subscribe my channel and share it. This is a Govardhan Parvat. It's only artificial, not the real Govardhan Parvat. So we were walking barefoot and it was so sunny. See, these are my friends, Vinita ma'am and Aarti ma'am. Again, this view so beautiful, just eye-catching view, guys. And with me, my Laddu Gopal is also there. He is also very happy enjoying the trip with my besties. Yeah, this is all about the Prem Mandir. We visited Prem Mandir in the mid-afternoon and it was so sunny, but we were enjoying our trip. See, my Laddu Gopal is also seems smiling. Yeah, Radhe Radhe. Now we were so hungry. As you know, I have done Nirjala Ekadasi a day before, yes, day before, and I was so hungry. And now we are in the hotel and we have ordered our food and we are waiting for the. I purchased some of the beautiful dresses for my Lattu Gopal. This is the best shopping I always had, shopping for my Lattu Gopal. Again, we all headed for our journey to Govardhan and Giriraj Parbat. There we have to do the parikrama with our friends. Yeah, our main motive to come to Vrindavan was this only. So we decided to do the parikrama. Now our parikrama had started and we were enjoying this even though it was a sunny. No matter. God is always with us to protect us in this heat also. Now we have started our parikrama. We all were saying Radhe 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 Radhe. Yeah, now we have come to Radha Kund. This is a very sacred place, sacred water, holy water, and we have taken bath also. We will see in the next clips. This is very beautiful, guys. And there was a Mahadev temple also. Har Har Mahadev. See, this I was talking about. We had taken bath in this holy water. There was a Giriraj Parvat also. This was a Parvat when we have attached our coins to that, this holy scriptures. So now we are going to take a holy bath in the Giriraj Kund. You know what? My feet was really tired. You can see my face. I ran away because of the heat, but then somehow I managed to come to this place and had taken a short shower on our head and we were making reels with my bestie Binita ma'am. Yeah, she is my co-teacher in my school. Now I'm giving some bananas to my friend Go Mataji, and he was not eating. Then I gave to some other. Yes, I have given bananas to our Go Mataji. Then there were monkeys also who was just, I was just playing with them. Now they have taken, and it was a very funny. Then again we had taken our lunch. Then again I shopped for my Laddu Gopal. They were so beautiful dresses that I can't deny to purchase them. And as you know, my Laddu Gopal was also with me. Yeah. See the beautiful dresses. All Vrindavan is covered with beautiful dresses and equipments of Lord Krishna only. As you know, it's the birthplace. There were many Laddu Gopals also, different things. You know, I purchased umbrella also for him. As you know, Savan is so this cute Laddu Gopal, so beautiful. Again, there are some views of this kund. We were taking blessings from there. Yeah, this is. Again, we stayed in some restaurant and had our dinner. Then guess now, our journey completed and we headed to our home, that is Delhi. See, my friends were enjoying in the car. We were listening songs and enjoying the view from the window, mountains, beautiful, and the weather was very calming. If you like, subscribe my video and like, share.